As many people reach their late 40s to early 50s, a common question arises: am I ready for retirement with what I have saved? I'll give you an example. This client, 52 years old, has a liquid portfolio of 2.8 million in retirement savings, no multiple asset class. And the overall portfolio is really not high risk, with a conservative annual returns of 6% a year. And he expects to spend about 10,000 a year in today's value with an inflation rate of about 3% a year. And this AI retirement calculator will instantly compute and show you year by year growth of the retirement fund based on the annual return assumption, as well as the end balance at the end of each year after accounting for withdrawals. Starting amount of to withdraw 120,000 a year, which inflates by 3% compared to the previous year. And further, after you wait for a minute or two for the AI retirement calculator to compute everything, it will summarize for you some key findings. In this case, the retirement fund will last until when he is 94 years old, and the retirement fund will continue to grow for the first 19 years until age 71 before inflation outpaces the growth of the retirement fund. Of course, this AI retirement tool will give very good suggestion for you to say that you could really implement a variable withdrawal strategy to make the retirement fund more sustainable, or in case you want to leave a legacy for the next generation. And it's very common for a lot of people to consider part-time work or consulting immediately after retirement, where uh, your skill is really still in demand to offset some of the amount that you need to be withdrawn in the early years of your retirement from your retirement fund. Now, of course, if you, in this case, this client prefers a more front-loaded lifestyle, right? They can start with a higher withdrawal amount, say 12,000 a month of spending, and see how long his retirement fund lasts. AI retirement calculator can compute the entire retirement roadmap for you again, and show you, a phased retirement scenario where the withdrawal strategy can be dynamically adjusted based on the actual growth of the portfolio. Market up and down. There are some years you might not get a 6% even, right? So this is the second scenario. You can really, it's a good way to stress test your retirement fund, because throughout retirement, even with this AI retirement tool, I think as a human being, we can be very flexible with the withdrawal strategy, and realistically, you could have other form of income as well, like interest on fixed deposit, rental income, to offset or supplement retirement fund withdrawal. It is assumed, of course, you are medically insured, so any significant medical bills can be covered by your insurance without needing to deplete any amount from the retirement fund, besides the things that your medical insurance do not cover.